This is a module of AF series LED screen. At the rear of this module, there are 12 magnetic bays and 2 locks. The main purpose design of AF series screen was using at an outdoor extreme environment. It would be not safe enough to use a magnetic installation system only. We added 2 physical locks to eliminate the risk of dropping off the module. The module has front and rear maintenance. In front maintenance, a hexagon wrench and a vacuuming front maintenance tool will be used to remove a faulty module. First, find out 2 little holes at a faulty module and insert the hexagon wrench to turn off the locks. Turn right to unlock the module and you will find a click sound. Remember to unlock 2 locks at a module. Then, place a vacuuming front maintenance tool at the surface of the faulty module. Press the power button, suck out the faulty module and place it at a suitable position. Replace a new module and turn left to lock the module. Cabling of the whole panel is clear and simple to connect. And 4 modules with 480 width, 270 heats mounted on the front. The panel is equipped with a separate waterproof IP63 power box. Normally, if LED has some problems, you can change it directly, saving the time and manpower, improving the efficiency by 1 technician. Before maintaining or repairing the screen, don't forget to turn off the power, which will eliminate the hazardous electric shock and save your life.